So I have a really interesting and good YouTube monetization update for you today that should prevent your channel going from this directly to this without at least being able to defend yourself. What we're covering today are incidents of when a channel is suspended or basically thrown out of a YouTube partner program and is no longer able to monetize their channel. But before I explain what's changed, let's establish what currently happens. So this, I'm sure you'll agree, is a terrifying email to receive because it's immediate. Your channel is instantly demonetized. No doubt you'll be shocked, devastated, stressed out of your eyeballs as you try and pick up the pieces of your channel. And this is where I will open up a question to the vidIQ community. Has any of this happened to you? Please do share your experiences in the comments below if you're willing to do so. Now, you can appeal this decision within 21 days, but it can take YouTube up to 14 days to respond and then another 30 days to reinstate monetization on your channel. That potentially is up to 6 weeks of lost revenue, which is especially annoying if you win your appeal, because it proves you did nothing wrong in the first place. So in the timeline of current events, YouTube will demonetize your channel first and then allow you to appeal within 21 days. If that appeal is accepted, then YouTube will eventually re-monetize your channel, which can be incredibly frustrating. And that's what YouTube is attempting to address right now with an update to the policy. The plan, which has already started to roll out, is a new feature that allows creators to appeal the suspension from the YouTube Partner Program before losing monetization. Creators will have a 7-day window to provide more information about their channel to YouTube reviewers before removal from the partner program. The appeal process itself is something that already exists and involves the creator recording a video that demonstrates how they make videos on their channel. At the time of recording, I'm not sure if this will change at all, but the important thing is you now have 7 days to do that while your channel is still in a monetized state. There is a but to all of this, however. This feature, opportunity, whatever you want to call it, is only available for some suspension reasons, not all. I'm speculating here, but my guess is that this 7-day appeal window is designed for creators who are hit by suspensions such as reused and repetitious content. For more serious offenses, YouTube will still need to take strong and immediate action. But here is the best case scenario going forward. Your channel receives a demonetization notification or email. You appeal that within 7 days, and YouTube accepts that appeal. There is an unbroken chain of channel monetization without impacting your revenue. Now, you do still have 21 days to appeal the suspension decision, but after 7 of those 21 days, the channel will be demonetized. And if your appeal is rejected, suspension from the YouTube Partner Program is still 90 days. From a creator's perspective, YouTube does have this reputation for making snap decisions about channels that damage thousands of hours of work and years of emotional investment. So this, I would say, is certainly a step in the right direction. To give creators a moment to compose themselves, digest what's happened, and then work with YouTube to fix a problem before any lasting damage. So what I would say to YouTube is, can you introduce a similar policy for invalid traffic? Because it does feel like a very similar scenario to creators that could do with a little more collaboration from YouTube.